Let me try to think what to do. She was playing outside, her sister said. But come on, I'm starting this tomorrow. Yeah, I know you're going to be happy because I'm going to start it tomorrow. I'm drawing all your guys' name. Thank you all to the shout out all of you guys. Shout out bashers, not shout out. I hate you guys. Please don't bash anyone because if you bash anyone, you don't know their feelings or anything. But please be nice to everybody. I'm going to make this up. Please be nice to everybody. But I need to introduce you to someone. Lil K. Well, you can't really see a light, but let me fix it. Come on, wait. I fixed the light, and here she is. Here. It's rock, paper, scissors. I know you can't really see it because the light. This is scissors, and the paper, scissors again, and shoot. Like rock, paper, scissors, shoot. The shoot is kind of the